Military Occupational Specialty, Patient Administration Specialist. As a patient administration specialist, you are a part of the Armed Forces medical mission. You will be entrusted with serving the military community and their families, and providing essential support to the clinical staff of a hospital. The Army will train you in a variety of administrative skills, and to use the composite healthcare system to admit and discharge patients. You will train to receive valuables and money from patients for deposit into the patient's trust fund. You will train to code and use filing procedures employed by civilian hospitals, such as the terminal digit filing system. You will also train on keyboarding skills and data entry, to recognize and use basic medical terminology, to interview and advise patients in order to determine eligibility, and to initiate line of duty investigations. After your military occupational specialty training, you will be assigned to a fixed medical treatment facility or a field unit. You will maintain and safeguard medical information and records about each patient's treatment and promptly provide the information and records when required. You may assist in the disposition of patients who are unable to function properly because of behavioral health conditions. As a patient administration specialist, you may serve as an administrative link between seriously ill patients and their family members, and help service members during the administrative process of medical boards. You may also be required to keep non-medical files and documents in order to compile statistical data. In your duties, you will use the TRANSCOM regulating and command and control evacuation system to arrange for the transfer of patients from one hospital to another. You will contribute to saving lives on the battlefield by the efficient and timely transfer of urgent, priority, and routine patients. You may also complete the administrative procedures on patients who have died, as well as order and receive equipment and administrative supplies. Your duties may include supporting your unit in humanitarian efforts, peacekeeping missions, and homeland security operations. As a patient administrative specialist, you will serve in a tri-service environment, interacting with members of the Department of Defense daily. Serving as a patient administration specialist can help you transition from the military to the civilian employment sector. Your skills in leadership, teamwork, and problem solving, combined with a more developed sense of responsibility, self-discipline, and motivation, are skills and values in demand by civilian employers. The patient administration specialist is there for the bad moments as well as the good moments, providing service and steadfast support for every soldier. The patient administration specialist is a cornerstone behind the military medical mission as the healthcare team pursues its goal to conserve the fighting strength.